Hello, in this session we are going to talk about entry point versus CMD. So let's not go with the theoretical part, let's try to understand with the practical thing. Okay, see, I have created Docker file. Very basic, this will be my base image Ubuntu, update the repository and CMD, echo CMD. Okay, so this will be the first command. Okay, this will be the first command. Forget about entry point as for now. Okay, just take this as a first command, because when I'm going to run my container from this image, this is the first command which is going to be executed. Okay, let's see. Let's build the image from this file first. Docker build -t means tag and the name. Let's make it v1 dot. Okay, image is there. Docker image ls. Right, version 1 is there. Now let's create a container. Docker run -it. I'm not running this container in the background because I need to see the output of this command. Okay, and from which image? Version 1 latest. See, CMD, it echo me this, echo CMD, so CMD is here. Now see, I will create another container, Docker run -it from this image, and I am changing something. I am passing an argument here. Let's see, ls-la. See, this is of inside the container. It is giving me the file structure of the container. Right, so it means I can change the command. I can change this command, echo CMD. Okay, see now, who am I? Root. Okay, this command is running inside that container. So it means when I'm using CMD, I can change this command. Okay, when I'm using CMD, I can change this command. Correct? See, pwd. See, slash means root, or what, cat. Okay, just see all the content from the here. Okay, there's no files in the folder, so it means it is going to run the this as a argument. It will change this one which I have mentioned here. Right, now let's talk about the entry point. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. It is taking this an argument, or it is taking this as a command. So it means we can override this with the help of CMD. With the help of CMD, we can override this command. We need to mention the command while running the container. So it will run that command as a first command. It will override it. But when it's come to the entry point, let's try to change it. Let's try to change it. CMD. Make it entry point. Okay. Now let's build another image. Docker build -t. Let's make it version 2. Okay, so I have two images now. Version 1, in which I have mentioned the CMD, and in version 2 we have entry point. Let's create a container from version 2. Docker run -it from which version 2 latest. Okay, fine, CMD is there because it is taking that as a command, echo CMD. Now ls -la. See, CMD is there and ls-l is there, so it is taking this as an additional argument. Okay, it is taking as an additional argument. So this will be the command. It is not going to override this one, but it will append that argument to this command. It will append the argument to this command, echo. Whatever I am going to pass here now, it is going to take it as an additional argument with the CMD. So it means echo CMD is there. This is the default command. It is not going to override this command, but whatever argument, whatever pass while executing this container, it is going to take it as an additional argument. See. Okay, so this is the main difference between the entry point and the CMD. You can't override the command with the entry point. It is going to take that command as a default command and going to override these things, or it will take this as an additional argument. It is not going to override by these things, but when it's come to the CMD part, it can be possible you can override it. Okay, you can override with the, now see, version 1 root. Okay, but if you run this with version 2, where we have mentioned the entry point, it is going to take this as an additional argument. Okay, so it means, like, I hope you understand, entry point you can't override it, but with the CMD you can override the default command. Okay, now I will see you in the next session. Thank you.